Gawdat, former Google bigwig, was about as happy as a server during a denial of service attack. Fancy title, fat paycheck, the whole shebang.
Yay!
But his inner self resembled a deflated whoopee cushion. So what did this engineer do? He did what any self-respecting nerd would do. Crack open the code of happiness. Solve for Happy is his hilarious, mostly an insightful journey through the labyrinth of human misery. Turns out, we've all been chasing butterflies, those butterflies being fleeting joys. Like that new phone or the heady high of finally cleaning your inbox. Admit it, you feel like a superhero for a hot minute. True happiness, Gawdat argues, chills rent-free inside your own noggin. The problem? Our brains are like toddlers throwing tantrums in a ball pit of illusions. We crave control, spoiler alert, we don't have it, cling to our ever-changing emotions like a bad hair day, and obsess over the past. Hello, regret, or the future. Anxiety, anyone? Gawdat dismantles these illusions with the finesse of a magician pulling a rabbit out of a hat. Although, in this case, the rabbit is your inner peace. Solve for Happy isn't your grandma's self-help book. It's a witty exploration of the mind's quirks, with actionable tips, like mindfulness and gratitude. Think of them as happiness vitamins, to help you navigate life's inevitable dumpster fires with a smile, or at least a dignified grimace. So, ditch the self-help snake oil and grab a copy. You might just find yourself becoming the chillest, happiest version of yourself, even on Mondays.